Oh my.
You call a hot dog that slides in a hole of a sweet Hawaiian roll?
Call that a Friday night, baby! Hey, haiku. Can you sing? That I like pizza.
Yeah, it's in.
That's right. Goddamn fucking kids these days. My life as a cowgirl, my life as a vlogger. What the, that's so fucking, my life as a, oh god.
You really did not do that. Why the fuck would you do that? What the fuck, Connor? It's below your elbow. Don't you ever want a real job?
I already have a real job.
Seashell? What the hell is a seashell that do?
A Shelby.
Oh, Shelby. Fuck. Come on, Connor. Honey, how did you not react to that?
I did.
What did you do?
I went like, you gotta be kidding me.
I bought this Buzz Lightyear from you guys, but there's actually a problem with it. It's not what it seems.
Batteries are dead.
To infinity and your bitch ass mama's house.
You hear that? That line was not in the movie.
I know that was. I've
mean-
seen the movie,
Yeah, I mean, look at this. Yeah, click it.
Woody, shut your cowboy bitch ass up.
What the heck?
That's what I said. I mean, I've seen the movie many times. He did not use that line in there.
Oh, I know he did.
And also, it only...
But like, I've not been nasty. I've not said anything. Cool. Okay, cute.